We in the vlog with it. What we doing, gang? Look at this shit. Takeover and shit. We got the Beamers. Oh, look at this fucking Australian.
Zoom it out. Let me see. Zoom that bitch out.
Oh, that's it. Oh, that's what he's doing. Come here. Ooh, we got this caddy. God, this shit wildin', man. This shit wildin', man.
This shit lit as hell.
This shit lit as hell. We got caddies, we got everything in this bitch, man. We pack as fuck. Man, fuck in this bitch, man. This shit look pop as fuck, bro. Shit pop as shit. Shit, what we doing? Look. Oh, fuck. I'm here, so. Back up, back up. Shit. Oh, shit. Back up, head that shit. Shit. I don't think that's two. Watch out in this shit, bro. We got big old crowd. We got big old crowd in this. We got big old crowd in this bitch. Why y'all leaving? My homeboys listening and shit, man. I was scared. Let's check out the cars, Tony. What you thinking right now?
Right
5
here.
seconds into it.
We got Christmas lights. We got here. We didn't even park it, and it was already buzzing.
It's buzzing, though.
But it's popped already.
Let's go over here, gang. Let's go over here. We're going live, bro. This shit busting right now. Look, we got BMW. Hot flags. Hold on. Hey, shit. What you want, bro? Free the guys. Hey, free the guys, man. Free my boy Polo on this shit, man. It's fucking pop, bro. It's pop as fuck. That car reckless right there.
It's a Holden Chevy.
Car reckless. I ain't gonna know what to do. CTSV. I won't lie to you guys, that's my dream car, guys. The CTSV dream car. What are we doing, Eric? What are we doing? Where are we going?
Look at this car. Look at this car.
The Christmas lights. Badass Mazda. We got the Evo. Got more cars over there. This shit's intense, guys. This shit's intense. Shit, man. This is my first vlog. Look at this car. This car's so sexy, guys. The 5.0 new Mustangs. That's so fucking sexy. You can see the difference between this one and this one right here, guys. 5.0 V8, guys. This should go hard. Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! Good shape, bro. Good shape, bro. Hey, watch out, watch out! Hold on. This guy just burned tires. Oh, shit. I need one more hour. We're in this bitch for real. We got the Christmas trees. 5.0. This should go hard. Like that. We got the Chrysler going on. Half and half. This should go insane, man. This should go hard, guys.
You took your fucking key! What the fuck?
Somebody grab his key real quick! Fuck him up, man! Oh, hell no!
He's up!
Crash out! Crash out! You crash out!
Hey.
We're at the next location.
Next location, guys.
Wait, I start recording right here?
Yeah, it's already recording.
I bet. We're at the next location.
It's already looking pop.
It's already looking pop.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. You always gotta watch out with the cameraman. Hey guys, we're in the next location, you know. Let's go see the cars real quick. They're gonna be in the streets real quick. Let's go. Hold on, watch out, watch out.
Watch out, watch out, you watch out. Sorry, no. Let's go look at the cars.
Guys, I ain't gonna lie to you.
You almost got ran over.
I think this car meet's kind of over now.
Look at that car though right there, look. This one looking nice.
He like this, but he's lagging on that.
Look at.
Oh, video that.
Gotcha.
Ooh, look at that Audi. Look at that caddy. Look at that caddy, man.
Caddy, Hellcat you mean? Okay. Look at this one.
Oh, hell no, boy.
He got the red lights on. Oh, look at this.
Look at that truck.
You know, we out here, car meet.
Look.
You know, shit get hot around here.
Popping that shit too.
Yep. Tell them what happened.
Shit. So we pulled up to Strats.
What's it?
As you can see, pop.
They got hot.
Look at this.
Look.
Guys.
Like, they ain't trying to leave us alone. They ain't trying to let us have fun. Look at this car. Crazy.
Look. Look, come on. Hey, of course. Oh, they're towing.
We out.
Oh, they're towing. We out. We out.
Motherfucker on slicks. What you gotta say?
Hey, we out, guys. Hey, stay tuned for the next vlog. Hey, stay tuned for the next stream, alright? Take care. We out.
Peace.